Well, back in the stand Wednesday night. I'm back in the fingerage stand where I shot that doe on the 3rd. Give this place a break for a few days. Seen a lot of deer in here. Today's setup's the same as it was Saturday. Bed to the left. Noticed today a ton of rubs in here. They wasn't in here the other week, so I think that big 8 and that 6 might have made those last couple days. White oak acorns everywhere. It sounds like it's raining in here. But anyway, Kim is up behind me. She's to my left about 200 yards. Sarah's to my right about 200 yards. They're both in buddy stands on top of the ridge. And I'm down here in this bottom. Got a wind hitting me directly in the side of the face, blowing behind me, about 5 miles an hour. So fingers crossed. Got 4 does in this unit. I seen so many does in here the other night. I don't see me passing one up if I get an opportunity at a good one. But we're hoping for that big 8 to come back through, or I am. So we'll see. Check the footage, see what's going on. lock another in case a buck comes in. Well, I can't tell much by the footage. Looked like it was a clean pass through, but I sat right. And kind of shaking a little bit. Be messing with those sets and maybe mess up my film. But anyway, we're gonna give it a little while. I've got the wall hung up, another arrow knocked. So we'll see. Maybe a big 8-pointer come through. I've got about 20 more minutes of shooting light left for the video camera. Anyway, stay with us. We're knocking these does down. I got Kimberly and Sarah with me. Drove up and got them. Before we got next to the arrow. He's blood all the way down the shaft, but that's awful shiny blood. There's blood though. Let's go ahead and take off tracking her, Sarah. And Kimberly. Doing pretty good. Alright, the blood trail's kind of spotty. She got in some green stuff and following her on down through here. It's real shiny blood, but you just still on blood?
Yeah.
Here she is.
Oh.
Yep, she's done. She's done. Oh, good Lord. Sweet. Yeah, it's a little high and a little back. But that's doe number 3. We hadn't shot does on this lease in 2 or 3 years because of EHD, and last year we thought we'd made a mistake. There was so many of them, but I seen 9 tonight, so. This is doe number 3. I couldn't be more happy. We come again after work. I got back in that Finger Ridge stand that I like so much. Give it a break for a few days before I'm shooting other doe, and they come in trying to play the wind, but she got a little too close and I let her have it. Looks like that rage did its job. But we're tickled to death, hoping to bring more footage to you. I mean, we're gonna keep rolling this footage out. So I got one more doe for archery. I actually got one more doe for these leases. So I might be behind the camera on some of these girls stuff. But like I said, we're gonna be rolling out the footage. We really thank y'all for watching. If you ain't subscribed, please subscribe if you like our content. And don't forget to ring that bell for notifications. This here will be episode 5. Yeah, this will be Pine Life episode 5. But as always, we always like to tell you, God bless, and we'll see you next time. Good luck. Good Lord. All right, let's add a little light to the subject. It's kind of hairy down here where she's at. We're gonna put this Pioneer to work. Ooh,